Bitcoin's going exactly the way I thought it would. The entry I put together is perfect so far. It's still, the market likes to screw us over. Hey guys, I'm David and I am trading and investing my way to $1 million. That's what this channel is about. And if I can do it, the idea is that you guys can also do something similar. Like I'm an nupty. Look at the quality of my videos. There's no chance in hell I'm going to be able to do this. But if I do it, it means you can do it too. That's what I'm hoping. Anyway, today I woke up to a video by Game of Trades. Now, I'm a paid subscriber to Game of Trades, and Game of Trades is talking about Bitcoin and everything that's just happened. So let's take a look at what's in his video. All right, here's Game of Trades. As you can see, I am a paid subscriber of Game of Trades website. I thoroughly appreciate his work, and I recommend everybody signs up to him. I think he's great. He's provided me a massive amount of value for my money. So this, I feel okay showing this video because even though it's on his website, is the one that's free on YouTube, his advertising one. As you can see, I advise you to go through the video yourself, but he covers three main areas. He covers the macro outlook, some technical analysis, and the Fear and Greed Index from Look into Bitcoin, which is what I showed on one of my previous videos. So let's go. Here's Bitcoin Thesis. I'll let you watch for the macro, but on the technical, we have our divergence showing up very well on the MACD so far. In fact, we are crossing. If today closes in a bullish way, we will have a confirmed MACD signal line, main line crossing the signal line, which will give us the divergence entry, which is awesome. Bitcoin Greed and Fear and Greed Index from Look into Bitcoin, he also showed, as you can see, right now a score of 22, but yesterday was a score of 10. So we're getting some really, really exciting readings, really low readings. This is really, really nice stuff to look at. When these are perfect entries for Bitcoin. As you can see, every time the price is in massive amounts of fear, it's just a great entry for Bitcoin. So we're getting the sentiment as well. That was Game of Trades' big thesis there as well. Just quickly, let's look at some of the other indicators and how they're going up from my previous video. If we look at the MAC, the MACD, the Bitcoin chart. Oh, my English is not working so well today. We have our pin bar, which is a perfect pin bar and like a liquidity spike through below the trend line. And now it's bounced off with two very strong bullish looking bars. The MACD is showing the divergence. The RSI is showing the trend line. We have not broken out on the RSI trend line yet either. We have our trend line on the daily. It has not broken out, but I think it's worth pointing out, though this is not the greatest signal, we have broken the 4-hour signal, the 4-hour breakout. So Bitcoin is looking long for the moment. Well, in my mind it is, so it is definitely something I am strongly looking towards. Volume, no massive spikes of volume, but that's okay. So altogether, everything's going well. I'm waiting for the daily breakout and the RSI breakout before I really get excited. But the MACD, if it closes in a bullish fashion today, we have the MACD signal as well, along with the divergence. So Bitcoin is currently looking good. In my mind, it is looking good, and I've got my entry in. Admittedly, my entry was a little bit early. It was up here, so I'm not even back at break even yet. But I'm on the way, so not too bad, I like to think. Now, is Bitcoin a good one to hold? Yes, I believe it is. In theory, we could still get to 150,000 this cycle. Even if we don't, I really don't care. I'm holding for 7 years plus at least. Why? Because I pull across other channels, such as Invest Answers, which is a guy I really respect. He puts together some really good work, and he makes the case that he doesn't actually need the money. So I really like his channel. His analysis seems to be really good. He's publishing videos where he's talking about a 12 million Bitcoin by 2030. I can't see anything going wrong with that. Check it out. I'll put a link to that video in the description. It's really, really worth it. He puts together plenty of other videos over Bitcoin and how good and how asymmetrical a bet Bitcoin in fact is. Recently put out one about how Bill Miller, a legendary investor, it has a portfolio of 50% Bitcoin, which is insane in my mind for someone like that. But I guess mine's kind of 50%. So quickly to summarize, guys, technicals are currently playing out and I expect them to continue. However, I am still cautious that we could break down and there could be a lower entry. If Bitcoin bounces and breaks, then all bets are off and we could be going down to around here or just below the previous entries. So looking at around 33 to 28,000. I would love it to go down there personally. I'd be stoked if it went down there because I'd just enter again, but yeah, you know, Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index is very much in our favor. Hey guys, thanks for watching my video. Hope it was useful. I really, really appreciate the work by Game of Trades. So I really wanted to call him out in this video and just say, hey, thanks. You've done an amazing job. I really, really, really like your work. And I'm a paid subscriber, so thank you. Anyway, guys, hope you like it. I'll put some links in the video so that you can look at the sources I showed. And best of luck with your trading.